welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this plaque remover for teeth. Let's go ahead and get right into this. I have actually reviewed a few of these on my channel before, and I've actually gifted the ones that I've reviewed to like family members that actually have really bad plaque from smoking and stuff. I actually have really good teeth, like really nice teeth. I take really good care of them, and I have naturally super white teeth. The dentist always asks me if I get my teeth whitened, and I'm like, nope, that's all natural. It runs in the family. Like, all my sisters have really white teeth as well. It does come with an instruction manual, and it tells you how to use it. It says that it's good for dental calculus, I think that's how you say that, dental plaque, smoking stains, coffee stains. I drink a ton of coffee, but I don't have any stains. It's easy to use, USB chargeable, IPX8 lever, waterproof, and LED light. So that's just some of the claims that it has on the side. So this is what the main device looks like itself. So you just open this up. So this is what it looks like. It actually already has that part right there. This is the USB charger. It has the tools to take off this piece right here, and you can change it out. These are also really good if you have animals that have plaque, to help get the plaque off their teeth, because if you do not get the plaque off your animal's teeth, their teeth will get loose and they fall out. I've actually used one on my dog before, and it really did get the plaque out, but she moves a lot, so it's harder on her. But if you have a dog that doesn't like to chew on stuff, like my Pomeranian, she does not chew on anything. She's a really good dog, so she gets plaque. It comes with one of these so you can see behind your teeth, just like that. And then it has these other ones, like if you want to pick at your teeth. They say don't pick at your teeth. I've always picked at my teeth. Like, I used to grind my teeth a lot. These used to be like super sharp, and I grinded them down. I'm trying to convince my husband to let me get braces. I want braces so bad. I just can't afford them. They're way too expensive. So these are the little tools it comes with. They're very sharp, which is why they were covered. But if you have something between your teeth that you cannot get out, that's what these are great for. Has that one on that side, which poked me a little bit. And then if you want to change out that stuff, like I said, that's what this is for. You just open it. It has these in the different heads. Some are more, like this is a little more flat. It's not as pokey as the one on it. This one's more squared. So they just look differently. I have soil between my fingers. That's what that black stuff is, because I have a lot of plants and I'm constantly messing with my plants. But if you want to take it off, you get this little wrench thing and you just do that, and then it's good for retightening it. So let's go ahead and turn it on and see the different modes. So that is mode, and it is on soft. I always use these on soft just because it's a little scary when you use it, and it does have a light so that you can see inside your mouth. So let me get this out so that you guys can see. It always scares me when it touches my teeth though, because it makes like a screeching sound. See? But if you have like plaque, it's gonna really get it off. I don't have any plaque, so it's hard to really show. It just like vibrates really fast. So if you even touch glass, see, that's the sound that it makes. And all it is vibrating. And if you turn it, so that's on soft mode. Let me go ahead and turn it to comfort. As you can see, it's like scratching it up. on the back. And then it has standard. Oh, that one's actually getting really good. You can see. And then it has strong. Oh yeah, you can definitely hear that. And it has super strong, which I'd be scared to use. Yes. So if you had like really, really bad plaque and you were to use this, guarantee you could get it off with that. And if you don't want to use this to turn it off, you just hold it down and it turns off. If maybe you're scared to use that, it also does come with these so that you can get back behind there and just kind of pick it off like this. Just like that. So there are a lot of people that do get plaque behind their teeth. I have like food in between my teeth. I ate cornbread. I ate some cornbread earlier, so I have cornbread between my teeth. But yeah, like I said, if you are anyone that has like stains or plaque on your teeth, these things are really good, especially considering how crazy expensive teeth are these days to get your teeth fixed. I just had like a few cavities. I got like 1, 2, 3. I had 4 crowns done and then some cavities, and I spent over $3,000 on my teeth this year, which is why my husband doesn't want to buy me braces right now because he said I'm too expensive. So hopefully maybe next year I'll be able to get some braces, but I would really like to get these gaps and then my teeth pushed back. That'd be like a dream come true for me. But yeah, I will be linking where you can purchase this down in the description box below if you guys are interested. But that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.